Hello, self-publishers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about free Amazon KDP promotion. I will guide you how you can put your ebooks on free promotion. Always remember, whenever you publish a new book, always put your book on free promotion at start. Amazon KDP offers 5 days free promotion for a book after every 3 months, so let's jump into the tutorial how we can set the promotion. Open the KDP account and go to Bookshelf. Then scroll down and find the specific book you want to promote. Click on Promote and Advertise option. Now on this page, if your book is already enrolled for KDP Select and the status is enrolled, then you are good to go for free promotion. But if you are not enrolled yet, then select the Enroll option and enroll your book for KDP. Select for 90 days. Now you will see 2 options for promotions. First one for Countdown Deal, we will talk about it later. For now, we will just select Free Promotion, so select this option, and now click on Create a new free promotion. Now you can choose the specific days you want your book to be promoted. You can select maximum for 5 days. It's up to you if you want to continue for consecutive 5 days or you want to put in parts. So once days are selected, click on Save Promotion, and your promotion will be saved. You can scroll down and check the status of the promotion. It will show as if promotion is still active, scheduled, or finished. This is how you can put your books on free promotions. This 5 days promotion will boost your books and get your books reviews, and also rank onto the first pages. So keep utilizing this free promotion feature after every 3 months. I hope you have understood the process, and this promotion will help your books rank. If you have liked the tutorial, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.